Hey everybody, welcome back. We're on part two of this BBR 88cc big bore kit with a new cam on this 2005 CRF50. So I got it all put back together. Everything's back installed. I turned it over, make sure it was timed right, check timing, everything's perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it down off here, pull it outside, and we'll go ahead and see if it'll start. So since this bike's been sitting around a little bit, the front tire's pretty low. So I'm gonna go ahead and air that up real quick. Let's see. Start with 10. Go up to 12. Oh, guess it's at 17. Let's go a little higher. Perfect. All right, let's see if it'll start. Sorry about the wind noise. It's a little windy today. Let's turn the gas on. Give it some chill. It's got a lot more compression. Idling a little high, but tons more compression. The last one I built, they feel weird when you kick them over, almost like the kickstart isn't engaging because it's so much more compression than stock. Runs real good. Guess I didn't need to clean that carburetor, which is nice. It's idling a little high. Let me get a screwdriver and adjust that. Yeah, it runs a lot better than it did. Let's see, this might be too big of a flathead. Ah, this thing's so low to the ground. Looks like we got a little bit of a gas leak. There. When we tore this apart, I found there was a gasket missing on the intake. I think that's why it wouldn't idle before, but. All right, I'm gonna take it on a little test drive. Take it easy on it since it's a fresh top end, but it seems to be running a lot better. that gas leak and put some air in the rear tire, but it's done. I think it'll be perfect for my son. I'm gonna go ahead and break it in. Didn't want to be too hard on it. Can notice a little bit of a difference, obviously, but not much. I mean, it's still just an 88cc, but should be fun for my 9-year-old son. So go and show you guys an update on this John Deere project. And the Rincon 650, I need to work on this. I wrecked this in the beginning of summer. Need to fix that up, but this is where this sits. I'm gonna start working on this now. I got the motor in, torque converter on in the belt. Just need to figure out if that's how I'm gonna mount it or if I'm gonna pull the stock mount out and drop it down a little bit. So anyways, thanks for watching.